the two patrons can give
Okay, sure.
1 minute bite.
My like Dr. Ashok Kumar Das should talk about me.
Okay, sir, we'll start.
Sir, it's a request. You will talk first. I'll talk after you.
Sure, sir.
Dr. Murthy, I'm so sorry. Yes, sir. The guru has to talk first and disciple has to follow.
Ravi Kiran, your camera is upside down. Ravi Kiran, கேக்குதா?
Ravi Kiran sir, your camera is upside down.
Which one, Adarsh?
Ravi Kiran sir,
Should we put share screen, Adarsh?
so you are doing a lighting of the lamp.
Yes.
So you don't have to share the screen then, sir.
That's all, same thing. Whatever you are doing, that's all.
Yes, yes. So it's visible. So whatever you're going to do, it's live, sir.
Sure, okay.
But if you pin it, everybody can view it though.
Huh? If you?
Pin it.
No, that is something that IT industries used to do. They can do what is called a spotlight.
Yeah.
Whoever is speaking, can you put a spotlight on it, please?
Yeah, he's got it. Yeah.
Thanks.
Good evening, doctors. Warm welcome for the inauguration ceremony of Trento 2020. Trento 2020 is the 8th annual conference of the Endocrine Society of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. This year, Trento 2020 will be held as an virtual face-to-face in the view of COVID-19 pandemic from December 4 to December 6, 2020. I welcome the patrons of ESTN, Professor A.K. Das, Senior Endocrinologist from Pondicherry, who is present here. Welcome, sir. Dr. S. Murthy and Dr. P.G. Sundaraman present virtually for this session. Welcome, sir. I welcome Dr. Krishna Seshabri, President of ESTN and the Organizing Chairman of Trento 2020. Welcome, sir. I welcome the President-elect, Dr. Thomas Paul, for this session. I also welcome the Vice Presidents, Dr. Sriram Mahadevan and Dr. Suresh Damodaran for the conference. I invite Dr. Muthukumari Jayapal, the Secretary of ESTN and the members of the organizing team for Trento 2020. Once again, I welcome you one and all. Now I request Dr. A.K. Das, the Honorable Patron and our organizing team to light the Kuthuvelakku, followed by the prayer song. Praise. Now I request Dr. Krishna Singh Shabri, the President of ESTN and the Organizing Chairman of Trendo 2020, to give us a few words on this session.
Good evening, everyone. We light a lamp. Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. Take away from darkness to light. Very interestingly, one of the invocations for a lamp says, Shatru Buddhi Vinashaya Deepa Jyotir. What light does is, it changes the attitude of someone who's against. That is the power of knowledge. It is the power of knowledge and the sense of sharing and the need to network, to be together, learn from each other, to collaborate and grow together, that the Endocrine Society of Tamil Nadu is doing. I remember very well the discussion that we had in Bangalore, phone call to Dr. Kannan, the discussions with Dr. Murthy and Dr. Sundaraman, and then creating this particular. If you look at the backgrounds, you will find the very, very column-like icon of Endocrine Society of Tamil Nadu. Zoom in closely, you can see the organs there: the pituitary, the parathyroid, the adrenal, the pancreas, and the thyroid. But underneath that is the guiding principle of the Endocrine Society of Tamil Nadu. Tottanai Thurum Manarkeni Mandarkku Kattanai Thurum Arivu. Meaning that the more we learn, the more we share, the more we impart knowledge to other people without reserve, without holding back, the more we grow. And that is what we have done from a very small organization. We are now a brand. We are somebody that India and this part of the world looks forward to amazing science and great conferences. Well, everyone talks about the bad parts of the lockdown. The good part of it is normally we will not be able to afford to bring together so many wonderful international speakers. And here we are having so many international speakers under the banner of Trendo this year. The team at Pondicherry, Puducherry, has taken the lead with Dr. Vijay Bhaskar Reddy, Dr. Satish Kamalanathan, Dr. Deenabandhu Naik, Dr. Jayaprakash Sahu. And I think our own Karthik from Chennai is almost a Pondicherrian in his heart. So they have put this together, and this would not have been possible without their work. And of course, the anchor, the person who says less, but pretty much controls all our lives, is Muthukumaran Jayapal, and he is the glow behind the head. And with the help of our patrons, our youngsters, this society is growing from strength to strength. I will tomorrow, in my last talk to the society as its president, will try to outline some of our challenges and where we will go forward. But what is clear is one thing, that in this time of transition, in this time of pandemic, in this time of disinformation, in this time of pseudoscience, in this time of threats to our profession, it is almost important for us to stay together, to learn together, to grow together, and be together. I think ESTN and Trendo is a message of togetherness. And I hope that this remains the theme of this conference, of growing together and taking part in that infinite lake of wisdom that Tirukkural and our motto, Vaழிய செந்தமிழ் வாழ்க நற்றமிழர் வாழிய பாரத மணித்திருநாடு வந்தே மாதர். Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your session. Thank you so much for your innumerable words, sir. Now I request Professor A.K. Das, the Honorable Patron and our organizing team, and our organizing team's guideline to deliver us a few words on this session.
My dear esteemed colleagues and friends, today is a great day, and I will not, we have only 15 minutes for the inauguration, so I'll be very conscious to tell that the Trendo, Professor Murthy is here, Krishna is here, Muthu Kumar is here, everybody, Velayudan is here. I must tell only one sentence. Trendo has set a new trend before our country. It is the trend for others to follow. I'll just launch one thing from the Keshu's presidential address today when he said, only by what we do not become poorer but become richer and richer is by sharing the knowledge. And I'm extremely happy that this Trendo, 8 is a very important number, is numerically very, very important. On this 8 Trendo, we are going to celebrate with a host of national KOLs and ever bigger international speakers, researchers, and scientists and physicians of repute, the various areas of endocrinology, metabolism, and diabetes. Dear friends, needless to mention, endocrinology, metabolism, diabetes has become today the most important contemporary challenge. And the sessions centered around these topics, beautifully planned by our scientific committee chairman, with the aided by president and others, are bringing home the state-of-the-art clinical, practical things. And I'm sure this will be a great progress in the field of endocrinology. And if all of us can use this clinical practice, we will hope our endeavor successful. Dear friends, long live Trendo, and this 8 Trendo will set a new trend in front of the country. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your words, sir. I request our patron, Dr. S. Murthy from Chennai, senior endocrinologist, to deliver us a few words on this session.
Good evening, friends. It has been difficult times, a very challenging time, and it is indeed a privilege to congratulate the organizers under the guidance of Dr. Krishna Seshadri, Vijay Bhaskar Reddy, Sadish Kumar, Sri Ram Mahadevan, Muthu Kumaran, Kumaravel, Jai Prakash Sahu, Bharat Naik, Karthik, and the rest of them for having put up such an excellent scientific program. And we are going to have nothing less than an academic feast for the next few days. And I would also like to thank Dr. Krishna Seshadri, who will be laying down office tomorrow. He has been guiding the ESTN through very, very difficult times, challenging times, turbulent times. Of course, he will continue to mentor and take care of the ESTN. So, all participants, relax, sit back, enjoy, and have an academic session. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I request our honorable patron, Dr. P.G. Sundararaman, to deliver a few words on this occasion. Now I request Dr. P.G. Sundararaman to deliver us a few words on this occasion.
Respected friends and colleagues and professor, at the outset, I wish to thank the organizers of this Trendo meeting for bringing up this wonderful scientific session ahead of us. Yadum Ure Yavarum Kelir. In the continuation of what Krishna has told, that whatever we have learned, we communicate and make the science to grow. So in the same sense, so whenever we acquire that knowledge, then we are able to communicate in a better way. And that's what is this Trendo meeting. Every year we are doing it, which is definitely going to very great heights with laurels. A lot of people are waiting to have this Trendo. In fact, when we didn't have this Trendo this year earlier, I was really shocked. And I think fortunately, now we are having by Zoom meeting. And this also paves the way in future that we can have a direct and Zoom combined together so that we can have a greater access of the doctors, not only in India, but all over the world, and which will highlight the torch of Trendo. I thank you once again for the organizers. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the wonderful words, sir. Now I request Dr. Vijay Bhaskar Reddy, the consultant endocrinologist and the organizing secretary, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank Endocrine Society of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry for giving the opportunity for conducting Trendo with Puducherry team. Due to COVID-19 situation, I think we are doing on a virtual platform for this time. We have tried to involve many international speakers, and we have tried to make the scientific content excellent. So we have sessions over the next 3 days. I thank the president of the society and all the dignitaries and the patrons for having joined us for the inauguration. We will move on to the scientific sessions, which start at 4 o'clock. We have sessions in Hall A and Hall B. I thank one and all for their support for conducting Trendo. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.